Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Fire tablet so widgets can run. Open Settings, go to Security, and enable apps from unknown sources. This permits sideload installs. Next, download and install a compatible launcher APK. Pick one that explicitly supports Android widgets. Make sure you free about 100 to 200 MB of space and reboot the device once. This clears temporary locks and ensures the launcher registers correctly. Once done, launch the new launcher to begin adding widgets and continue. You now install and configure the launcher and widget apps. Sideload the launcher APK using the browser download or ADB sideload. Follow on-screen prompts to install. Then go to Settings Apps Default Apps and set that launcher as the home app so the system uses it. Install any apps that provide widgets, open each once, and grant runtime permissions, storage, contacts, location, so widgets can display data. Once granted, return to the launcher and prepare to place widgets on the home screen. You finish by adding and adjusting widgets on the home screen. Long press an empty area, tap widgets, select the widget you want, and drag it to the desired spot. Release to place. Make sure to resize if available by long pressing the placed widget and dragging its edges so content fits. Next, lock or save the layout if the launcher supports it. If widgets don't appear or show blank content, clear the launcher cache, reboot, or reinstall the launcher APK. That usually resolves permission or registration issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.